Good day to all our viewers out there. My name is Heinrich Neertling and welcome to Mathematical Literacy. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at the topic of finance, but more specifically at hire purchase. Let's get straight to that. Okay, let's look at our first question. In question number 1, I indicated the following. Raymond is a big sports fanatic. His plan is to watch all the sporting codes of the 2024 Paris Olympic Games. He therefore decided to buy a flat-screen television and to install DSTV at his flat. This way he will be able to watch these games from the comfort of his home. While browsing the internet, Raymond came across the following special promotion. Alright, so there's the flat-screen TV he's interested in, and it's advertised for a cash price of 8,999 Rand. Okay, now here's the situation. Raymond does not have enough money to pay cash for these items and will buy these items on a hire purchase deal. All right? The hire purchase deals entails the following. Let's see what is offered to him. So we know by now the cash price is 8,999 Rand. Then, since you don't have that cash money, right, the following is offered. A 10% deposit, 20.75% annual simplest interest rate, and he has 3 years to repay this money. So what is it that we need to calculate? First of all, define the term hire purchase. Remember, this is level 1 question. Know your terminology, know your definitions, right? You will be tested on that. So if we define the term, we'll say that hire purchase is a system, all right, whereby people buy products on credit. Okay, so you buy on credit. I'm just going to write out cryptic. Buy on credit. And you pay monthly installments, right? You pay your monthly installments while you are using these products, right? So there we go. It's a system, right, whereby you buy product or products on credit. You pay monthly installments while having use of it. Okay, it's like, if you look at the word itself, hire purchase, even though you are purchasing that product, you are basically hiring it until you have paid that final amount. Okay, so that's the first question. Question number 2, calculate the deposit Raymond must pay. Remember, it indicates to us here, a 10% deposit is required. Okay, so therefore I'll say 10% of the cash price. What is the price here? It's 8,999 Rand. Sorry, that's not an 8. It should be 8,999 Rand. Now let's get our calculators and calculate 10%. So 10 over 100 multiplied by 8,999 Rand. So that will give us a deposit of 899 Rand and 90 cents. Guys, I hope you are working with me. Check that I do the right thing here, but also so that you know how to perform these calculations. So that's the deposit, 899 Rand and 90 cents. Then our third question. It says calculate the amount that must be financed after the deposit has been paid. So let's quickly take this scenario into context. Remember, if he has cash money, he'll pay 8,999 Rand. But now, he don't have that kind of money. He's paying a deposit of 899 Rand and 90 cents. So therefore, there's still a big chunk of money that must be paid towards this television. I'm sure you agree, right? Now that is the money that must be financed, right? After the deposit has been paid. So therefore, we go and we say, okay, cash price is 8,999 Rand. He paid only a deposit of 899 Rand and 90 cents. So therefore, he will still owe, let's quickly type that in, 8,999 minus 899 Rand and 90 cents. So therefore, the amount of 8,099 Rand and 10 cents must now be financed, right? That is normally financed by a third party outside the client and whoever is buying it from the store, right? So 8,099 Rand and 10 cents. Okay, guys, I hope so far it's all good on your side. Question number 4. It says, hence calculate the total amount payable by Raymond after 3 years, excluding the deposit he already paid. Remember, we already excluded the deposit. So therefore, we will now say, if we quickly go back to see, this is the amount that must be paid, right? This must be finance. Okay, 8,099 rand and 10 cents. Now we go and we say, okay, that 8,099 rand and 10 cents, right, will be charged. Remember, now it becomes a hire purchase deal. Now we're going to use simple interest. Okay, so I will say multiply by 20,75, and I'll write that over 100 to indicate the percentage, right? Multiply by 3 years. Guys, I hope we're all good. So I'll type that in, multiply by 20.75 divided by 100, multiply by the 3 years. So that will give us now an amount of 5,041 rand and I'm going to round off straight, so that will give us 69 cents. Okay, now please note, this is only the interest on this hire purchase deal. We want to know what is the total amount payable. So therefore, remember, we need to take this outstanding amount, 8,099 rand and 10 cents, plus the interest of 5,041 rand and 69 cents to see what is the total amount outstanding. Okay, so I'm going to key that in, 8,099 rand and 10 cents plus the 5,041 rand and 69 cents. That will give us a total amount payable of 13,000. Let me just write that proper. Let's try again. 13,140 rand and 79 cents. 13,140 rand and 79 cents. So that is the total amount that he needs to repay. All right. Now, question number 5. Calculate his monthly installment, right? His monthly installment, which must include an additional insurance premium of 65 rand per month. So remember, what is the amount that needs to be repaid? That is 13,140 rand and 79 cents. How long does he have to pay back this money? 3 years, right? So now we are referring to monthly installments. So it's key to first convert that years to months, right? By taking the 3 and multiplying that by 12. So now I'm going to say equals the 13,140 rand and 79 cents that he need to repay back, divided by 36 months, right? Remember I said 3 multiplied by 12. Okay, so let's type that in. 13,140 rand 79 cents divided by 36 months. That will give us, write it here, 365 rand and 2 cents. Right, but what else is very important here? There must be an additional insurance premium. So therefore, his monthly installment will consist of the 365 rand and 2 cents plus the 65 rand per month that will act as the insurance premium. Okay, so all in all, what will his monthly installment be? So I'm going to add the two amounts together. So 365 rand and 2 cents plus 65 rand. That will take us to a total of 430 rand and 2 cents per month. Guys, I hope that's clear to all of you. I took the total repayment, the 13,140 rand and 79 cents. I divided that by the 36 months, right? That's the 3-year period. I got the monthly installment before our insurance premium of 365 rand and 2 cents. Thereafter, I took the monthly installment and I added the insurance premium of 65 rand to it, and I ended up at a 430 rand and 2 cents per month. Okay, guys, let us quickly take a short break. After the break, we'll be looking at more hire purchase deals. See you now.